Hi friends, we're going to do page 42 today, and it's about water animals, and what we're doing is comparing animals. Okay, we're going to write facts about each of these water animals. So today we get to do each animal. All right, there is a beaver and a pelican, and these are water animals. Okay, a beaver is a mammal, and a pelican is a bird. A beaver gives birth to live babies, and a pelican lays eggs. A beaver feeds young with milk, and a pelican regurgitates digested food. A beaver has dense bones. Dense means thick. And a pelican has hollow bones. That means they are light and there's nothing inside of them. So hollow. Alright, so now that we know this, thinking about our tabletop strategy, which is our main idea, introduction, and our supporting details, thinking about what we just read, first it talks about, this part right here talks about babies, and this one talks about babies too. So this is like babies or birth. Okay. Then the next one down, it says feed young with milk, regurgitate digestive foods. Okay, so now this one is talking about how they feed their babies. Okay, so this is about feeding their young. Okay, and the last one is about their bones. Okay, so do you see a pattern here? We have supporting detail number 1, supporting detail number 2, and supporting detail number 3. So let's get out our tabletop strategy really quick, and let's just go through that. Okay, so we have water animals. Let's have a main idea. Now you can think of your own main idea. This is just what I came up with. Many animals need and live near water, like a beaver and a pelican. These animals are similar and different. Okay, supporting detail number 1. First, there's that transition word. Don't forget the transition word. Okay, first, a beaver is a mammal that gives birth to live babies. A pelican is a bird that lays eggs. Okay, our second supporting detail, let's go back. Our first supporting detail, so the mammals, the babies, all this talks about our main idea about beavers and pelicans and how they're similar and different. Okay, our second supporting detail is a second transition word. A beaver feeds young with milk. A pelican regurgitates digested food. I know you're asking, what's regurgitated? Regurgitated means throwing up. That's how he feeds, or that's how the mother feeds the baby. Okay, and then the last supporting detail says, third, a beaver has dense bones, but a pelican has hollow bones. Okay, so we talked all about, for the first supporting detail, we talked about the birth, about the feeding is the second one, and about bones. And then the last part is we restate our main idea. In conclusion, water animals like beavers and pelicans are similar in that they need water, but different in many ways. Okay, so now that we filled out our tabletop, let's start writing. Okay, so this is what I literally take my tabletop and I put it onto my paper. Okay, so I wrote in complete sentences. This is kind of a first draft, and now we're doing a second, our final draft right here. Okay, all right, so let's read it. Now I want to point out too that I did run out of room, and most of you have lined paper that looks just like this, and you can use that lined paper if you run out of room. Okay, now look at this. I indented, so I'm going to look for indents. Okay, capital letters and periods and transition words. Here we go. Many animals need and live near water, like a beaver and a pelican. These animals are similar and different. First, a beaver is a mammal that gives birth to live babies. A pelican is a bird that lays eggs. Second, a beaver feeds young with milk. A pelican regurgitates digestive food. Third, a beaver has dense bones, but a pelican has hollow bones. In conclusion, water animals like beavers and pelicans are similar in that they need water, but different in many ways. See how nice that was? All right, friends, you can do this. I believe in you. Okay, keep up the good work.